Hey there Safari family, welcome back to Lens Through Africa and welcome back to the Southern African Bird Calls Challenge, challenge number 6. If this is your first time coming across this challenge series, go back to the Lens Through Africa channel homepage and click on challenge number 1 to play along from the beginning. If you've been playing along from the start, you know the rules. You're welcome to pause or rewind if you want to listen to a call again, but no checking your bird apps for audio identification. Right. Get ready to write down your guesses as the 5 easy calls are about to begin. Easy call 1, grey-headed bush shrike. Easy 2, red-winged starling. Easy 3, Karoo thrush. Easy 4, Diedrich cuckoo. And easy 5, purple-crested turako. Medium 1, white-fronted bee-eater. Medium 2, white-browed cuckoo. Medium 3, reed cormorant. Medium 4, African darter. Medium 5, greater flamingo. Hard 1, acacia pied barbet. Hard 2, African pied wagtail. Hard 3, Ritz's helmet shrike. Hard 4, white-throated robin chat. Finally, hard 5, African hawk eagle. The African hawk eagle's nest can be quite large, measuring around 100 centimeters wide and between 50 to 120 centimeters deep. They are monogamous and can often be seen hunting cooperatively. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed the challenge thus far. Don't forget to comment down below your score out of 15 for this video and 90 for the total challenge thus far. I am so glad that so many people are enjoying this challenge. Take care. See you for challenge number 7.